Hello everyone, good morning. I'm checking right here in the mangroves in the farm of Auntie Mina right now because it's high tide and I want to see where the water reach. And have a good day everyone. Come on and join me. Going down to the museum to check because it's high tide today and the water is so high. I have to see how it looks when it's high tide. Hello. So it's high tide today. The last time I vlogged this part here and there's no water here, but today it's high tide and the salt water is up to here. That's why the part here you cannot plant anything because the salt water is going up to here. This is part of the mise. This is the part of the mise when it's high tide. So the salt water comes up to here.
Already morning. This very big water already comes. See? Yeah. Although I go to this is in this tree.
Because of the full moon?
Spelling kitty. See? Spelling kitty.
This is the part 2 of our farm tour and it's high tide right now, so
Very high. Already water already go. And then
you say good morning.
hi, good morning. This
Really high, eh?
yeah, no water already go.
So where's the fish that you said to me that it's sometimes it goes here and it's big?
Very big and the fish coming. Now water already go. Water already
So the fish already go as well because the water go.
yeah, that's a fish already big one already go. Very high water come and then fish come this village.
Yeah, because the last time you remember in our
Yeah.
part 1 in our farm tour of Auntie Mina's farm, it was here in this area here we were walking. But today, as we can see, the water is quite high
Yeah.
because it's high tide.
This is in the tree. Water morning already this like that. No water, no, and then little while it will go. See, this is in the coconut. Water in the high. No water already go. This spelling fish and then come. I can come. I can cover in the soil over here. Water cannot go thorough far. I am covered over here.
So you have to put reinforcement dirt over there so the water doesn't go up there, so it will not destroy the
Yeah. That's why I'm very
taro,
fast
right?
And then cover water. Yeah. See, this is
Yun nga. I can hear a fish splashing.
yeah, fish. The fish run away. Fish run away. Fish now already understand water already go. That's why fish
Go away.
very fast and run away. Fish now already understand. You come at 7 This time water very high.
Does fish have brains?
No, this
How big is the brain of the fish?
yeah, this like that, this like that, and then come and fish. Although this is in the filthy water come, and then fish and the fillet. But I cannot guess.
Fillet.
Yeah, I cannot guess on the fish.
You cannot catch the fish.
Oh, I cannot
Yeah, if you have a net, maybe you can put
Oh.
over there, and so the fish
Yeah.
doesn't go
I can
in.
in the net and the throw and then catch on the fish, but no more net.
Yeah, but no need to do that, right?
Yeah,
There's a lot of fish in Palau. You don't have to get some fish in the mangrove.
yeah.
As long as there's no crocodile, it's okay.
No more.
No
I
more
cannot
crocodile?
see. Yeah, only come in the sometime in the snake. One time over here,
Yeah?
this in the hole, I can come and then see very big snake.
Oh,
This is like that in the shovel, very black. I'm beating in the shovel. I start over here, and then I am killed.
you kill the...
I maybe can kill the snake.
But that snake you cannot eat?
No. Muslim don't do that.
I
No,
see.
Muslim no eat. I am just only kill.
Only kill,
Yeah. I
but
am
no
kill.
eat.
No. And then kill, I am throw.
Kill and then you are throw.
Yeah, I am throw.
Okay.
I am see, I am kill. Yeah, I am no.
So this
No,
is how it looks like when it's
See,
High
look,
tide.
The fish already over here, one very big.
one very big fish.
Oh,
So the last time when we have the farm tour, it
Yeah.
was not high tide,
yeah.
and
No.
today it's high tide. So this is how it looks like during high tide.
Yeah, this is the problem every time and this full moon.
This is farming here in Palau, because Palau is surrounded by water. So most of the land here, especially near to the mangrove, it's always like this when it's high tide.
Yeah. See, you know, look coconut, same like it water come today. Water already goes up and then fish already run out.
What about this betel nut? It doesn't die because of the salt water?
Matai.
Mm.
Matai. See, you look, this one and a big nut already having a flower.
But before, how many years ago, the water comes or no?
No, before no more. Only few. Only few. See, I am covered. Water. Put fire. Cannot water go inside. See, this how many matai? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
This one over here before there's a cacao?
Yeah, cocoa.
Ah,
Matai. I am in the Kalan cocoa and then garden leaf.
you should cover over there so
Yeah.
it doesn't go up to there. So that cacao there will not be damaged.
Yeah, all matai. So the water very strong.
I can see the fish.
Oh, you didn't see fish. No more. Already run away.
High tide right now, so it looks like this. So in a little while the water will drain,
Yeah.
and it's gonna be like that every day when it's high tide.
See, this is I am beating up Kalan again. Pumas on the crab and then hold. Although it is all finishing.
So this is the part 2 of our tour during high tide.
Yeah.
It's 8:35 in the morning, and
You already taken the picture and the sugar cane?
yes, thank you Sotri. Bye.
Thank you. Sister. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good day, everyone. So I see a trap over here for the chicken. I thought it's a trap for a crocodile. It's a chicken trap or a crab trap. Yan, gugulayin na yan. This is for cooking or for planting?
Planting.
Ah, it's not for gulay, it's for planting again. Beautiful day today. Looks like it's gonna be raining in a while.